Hello everyone and welcome to the Kendal Automart YouTube channel. My name's Sam, the internet specialist here. Today I'm showing you around this 2016 BMW X1. This is the M Sport model and it's the xDrive 20D. 2-litre turbocharged diesel with 188 brake horsepower. This particular vehicle is the 8-speed automatic and it's finished in the Glacier Silver Metallic, which is a lovely metallic sort of pearl effect colour. Really nice. It's got the diamond cut alloy wheels, which will be refurbished before you do take the car. It's got quite a few optional extras on this, including the shadow line roof rails, which are like that gloss black. Around the windows, the shadow line as well. It does also have the sun protection glass, and I'll take you inside the car now. Inside the car, it does have the front sport seats in Dakota leather, which are really lovely. Same seats material in the rear. You've got the anthracite headlining as well, that darker, sportier headlining, which looks great. And you've also got the brushed aluminium with the pearl chrome as well. That's another option. So plenty of features on the vehicle. As I say, it's an 8-speed automatic, which is great. So you can just let the car do what it wants to do, or you can pop it into drive and then pop it into manual. So you can go up and down your gears through there. So you can see it goes on there. You can go through your gears, or you can just leave it in drive like that. Pop it back into park. You do also have the electronic handbrake, so that's a nice modern feature on the vehicle. It's very low mileage as well, this car. It's done just 59,763 miles, which is really decent for a 2016 diesel car. It's been driven enough, but it's not really high mileage. You've got automatic lights as well, which is great. I'll show you the services on the screen now. You can see everything on there is okay. If I press brake fluid, it comes up saying it's not due till 2025. Engine oil is not due for 2025 or 10,000 miles. And the vehicle check is not due till 2027, so that's excellent. So you've got the services here. So it's been serviced 2018 BMW, 2021 BMW and 2023 BMW. So it has been well looked after. We will give it a full check over through the Honda workshop, of course, before you do take it, so that's great. Also, this car will also come with 6 months warranty for extra peace of mind. You can extend that at cost as well, should you wish to do so. So you can get in contact with us and we'll tell you more about that. I'll just show you the boot now. You do get the electronic tailgate, which is a fantastic feature. And a really decent sized boot on the X1 as well. Got further storage underneath here, plenty of storage, see, so you've got all that space under there, a bit more space just there and some more there as well, and you can also fold the seats down from the boot as well. All in all then, this is a really lovely X1. Great that it is the xDrive all-wheel drive model as well. We've already had a bit of frost this year, so this will be great to deal with that. Well looked after, low mileage example as well. Make great family vehicles and really nice to drive as well, whilst also offering that practicality and good fuel economy as well. It's not a massive car, but it's that perfect size for most people. If you've got any questions about this car, please don't hesitate to contact us. Give us a call on 01539 760 371 and we'll be happy to help. We do offer flexible financial options and part exchange is always welcome. No matter the age, make, model, mileage, we'll have a look into it and get you the best price we possibly can against this X1. Thank you for watching. We look forward to hearing from you very shortly.